Sorry about that. I tried to find something that I can scrub it with. I hope this works. I found a cloth from an old mop. Maybe this will work. Oops. My bad. Alright. I'm using hand soap. I should have used something else. That's okay. It's my first time doing this. Oops. Yeah, I should try putting the card down so I don't have to have my hand touching it. Actually get a shot. Alright. Turn this. Alright, this is my first time doing a die-cast car wash. I just used this chair right here. I was going to use this little vinyl shed, but so far, got this. So this is a Lionel plastic car right here. I don't know if it has a specific name. Oh, what was on it? Toothpaste, because there was a Sharpie marker because I drew on it when I was younger, and I scraped it off, and it was all dirty. So I decided to make a video cleaning it. It looks good as new, I guess. Well, I'll scrub all that toothpaste that was on it, because I found a way how to get rid of Sharpie markers. You know, use toothpaste and baking soda. So that was my first video with my washing die-cast cars. That's it.